So I got arrested twice last year, you know that.
Yeah.
But I'm free. I mean,
You're
the
free.
dress is free. I'm free.
I'll tell you about free actually.
All right, let's talk about that.
Dudu, talking about arresting.
Yes, she was.
She's
arrested.
also an amazing woman.
Wait, were you arrested before? I mean, don't tell me.
My parents. But Sister Dudu shared a story. We all know the story in the press that she was arrested. And she said to me when she came out, she says, Tari, I never knew that freedom was a gift. The ability to wake up at the time that you want, to eat at the time that you want. For us to say, it's a choice, and that's freedom. And from that day I was like, whoa, okay, freedom is a thing. So may we never take it for granted.
Freedom is a thing, and I wouldn't have said it any better.
Getting louder and louder, the voices are screaming. I'm trying to get them out of my head. Takes me further and further away from you, but I don't want to live this way. I can't explain, but I know that this voice is misleading. I'm trying to get it out of my head. But in the midst of it all, there's a still quiet voice. It's telling me to be okay. Pane kusununguka, pane kusununguka.